Hey, what is up guys? My name is Soban Tariq and welcome to Freelance Vibes YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create ebook cover design and sell it to Fiverr. There is a huge demand of this skill on Fiverr and you can get a lot of orders if you follow these tips that I'm going to give you in this video. So if you want to see more videos related to Fiverr, Upwork and other freelancing platforms, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So let's get started. So as you can see that I am on fiverr.com and let's type ebook cover design and see how many people are selling this service. And you can see 14,842 people selling this ebook cover designs, and we will learn exactly that how we can create these designs without Photoshop, without Illustrator. So you can see there are mockups and you can create these mockups and add it to your Fiverr portfolio or gig images. So let me show you how you can create these designs with very simple tool which called canva.com, and open canva.com and click here, create a design and search ebook, and you can see ebook cover. Click here. Keep in mind that you have to edit all these templates according to your client's requirement. There are some templates that requires a paid version of Canva, but we are going to use these free templates which are enough for us. And for example, if we choose this one, and you can see there is this is a beautiful design and we can change the colors, and now you can see we can edit anything that we like. Let's change the color of this one, or you can upload any picture that your client has provided to you and upload it to your design here from this icon. So for example, this is our design and we can edit each and everything according to our client's need. After that, we are going to send this design to our client. But we can use mockups to design like these images. As you can see, it appears on a book shape. So we are going to create these designs. Let's suppose first I'm going to download this one. You can download it in PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print. So this one is recommended while you are sending this to your client because it has high image quality. But for this tutorial purpose, we are going to download it as PNG. Download it here. And now we are going to use another website which called Smart Mockups. You can Google smartmockups.com. It's a free tool, but it has a lot of mockups which requires a membership. But we are going to use the free ones. So just click here, books. And you can see there are a lot of designs here which you can use, and you can click here the free. So you can see only the free mockups which we can use without any watermark. So let's suppose I'm going to use this one, and here you can upload this image which we have downloaded from canva.com. And now you can see that it looks really amazing, and you can use this image to show your portfolio, your previous work, and also you can add this image while completing your order. You have to send two items. The first one is the image that we have created from Canva. You can download it in PDF print, which is a very high image quality. So just download it here and send it to your client. So there are a lot of people who are selling the exact thing that I have shown you in this video. You can see here these people are using the exact same strategy that I have shown in this video. It's a really simple task. It is for beginners who want to start selling on Fiverr or Upwork or any other freelancing platform. This video really helps you. I have planned a lot of videos in which I show you the exact strategies to rank your Fiverr gig on first page, and also small skills which can help you to start your earning in just a matter of time. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and press all notifications. See you in the next video. Take care.